got it. Hang on. I'll put my... Yeah, he's kind of my contact person.
You want to head down that way now?
In a second.
These guys actually use liberal tears in their YouTube channel, so we're
well, here, let me...
we're gonna send them a little care package.
Here, email me. I'll get you guys set up as a liberal tears dealer. Okay. And you need to prep up the liberal tears pepper.
Okay. Let me
Make sure.
What's your YouTube channel?
Wolf from Dag Wastelanders.
Cool.
Get all their rifles.
How are we shooting at 7.62?
This is 6.5.
Huh?
Hey.
This is 6.5.
How you doing? Ah, sweet.
Yeah, we've had that up for a couple of years.
Nice.
We were hanging out with you guys. We were hanging out with you guys a couple of SHOT shows ago.
Right.
I put my, this address is no good anymore.
Okay.
That's the correct address.
Right on. We'll send you a little care package.
Outstanding.
And then William could get you hooked up too if you guys want to. We got a liberal tears. I don't.
Video. There's no flash signature at all. Listen to how quiet this is.
Found it.
240. I shot this last year. It's amazing.
I didn't bring new pants with me.
Yeah, you need to do it anyway.
Classic Firearms has their own little microphone. Like, it's kind of nifty. I approve of that shitter. Was ist das?
Slide plate.
Huh?
Slide plate.
So it's an optic detector and a slide plate that has some unique features built into it.
Wow.
So what optic does that work with?
This is designed for the MOS cut and a RMR, but we also have a plate for the EPS. Yeah, so the plate and the protector alone weigh about 85% of a standard MOS plate. Wow. I don't know how much the rear sight adds, but it's not substantial. You can tell it's super light. There's a couple unique design features here. The way the stud lock interface is cut and the way the mounting screws are cut are both designed to mechanically bring the slide plate and the optic to the rear of the gun. So that pulls the back end of the plate to the slide cut. Obviously, that's a mechanical advantage when you're racking your slide against the gun. It eliminates the shear from the screws by pushing the plate to the slide. These, and then these screws pull the optic to the rear of these bosses. So you're eliminating all of that shear against those two aspects of the optic. We also have an O-ring seal here on the bottom to prevent penetration of moisture from the slide plate into the optic. Where an RMR is sealed around the plate, it's not necessarily sealed there. So that prevents you from getting water in your battery. And the other big feature is this unique stud lock interface, where most of these optic plates, they just give you a little screw that screws into the top of the plate. This actually has a stud with an oval cut on it that goes into the cut on the plate, penetrates up, it's over twice the threading gauge surface area. Not the standard optics plate. You've got that much versus this whole thing. And that gives us, we use a T25 mounting that. It's just super robust compared to what I'm typically seeing in the market.
So it's not breaking or coming off or anything.
I think you'd have to try pretty hard.
Yeah.
We've tested the heck out of these. Extremely durable. Did I mention the 80 pounds of force up here? So you can, at the absolute leading edge, you can hit 80 pounds of force.
What's that going to be running?
So I want to say 169.95 for the Guardian, the plate, and the mounting hardware. Then you can buy the sights as well as a combo for $200.
Okay.
The whole kit, if you want to go that route, you know, rear sight forward and the front sight is 299.
Nice.
Okay, do it. Have plenty of loaded ones over there.
So with this system here, it's tuned for, it can be tuned for different systems. So in your case, with your grip, there's different spring weights that can be changed out here to accompany your grip. Different grips are, some are tighter, some are lighter. I like it. I like the way it co-witnesses the sight as part of the optic protector.
Yeah, I'm new to shooting red dots on pistols, so for me, that having the rear sight forward makes a huge difference because having shot competitions with the iron sights for so long, it's very instinctive to want to pick up that rear sight. And so by pushing it in front of the optic, your eye wants to go to the red dot first. At least for me, it helps a ton. Versus like, oh, there's my rear dot, or you know, front fiber. I always tend to go that direction. So that's a huge help.
I like the serrations on this too. Kind of helps you get.
Yeah, a little more positive grip with gloves and cold Las Vegas days.
That's the Radian Afterburner, and what are they calling this thing?
Guardian.
The Guardian.
Guardian optics plate and then stealth sight system.
I really like that. That's a cool addition. Very neat.
There's